Here at JLC-Tech, our focus on ceiling integration centers around the philosophy of providing tools and solutions for the lighting community to help guarantee the design intent of a given space. We brought you GEMINI, the first and only 4-inch wide linear slot light designed with integrated cross-tees, seamlessly integrating into the ceiling grid and guaranteeing on-center specification. We didn't want to stop there. Our goal is to offer a complete product family to complement a variety of ceiling design aesthetics. Which brings us to today. We are excited to introduce you to GEMINI 2-inch, expanding our range of product offerings. Typical linear slot lights are designed to be supported along both edges by grid members, requiring a custom opening to be built in the grid. Since this is complicated to do on center, an additional cross-tee is often added next to an existing one. This results in a final installation that is off-center with an undesirable cross-tee on either side of the fixture. Incorporating the same benefits and key features as our GEMINI 4-inch, the GEMINI 2-inch provides a solution for designers, ensuring the original design intent is translated cleanly to the installers, delivering as specified results. GEMINI 2-inch guarantees on-center grid installation by replacing the cross-tees and does not require a dedicated opening built into the ceiling. Additionally, the integrated cross-tees of the GEMINI 2-inch conceal cut tiles, compensating for installation variability, maintaining a more uniform, clean ceiling. GEMINI 2-inch is available with either a traditional diffused white lens or our optically enhanced Vista Comfort lens for precise light placement and reduced glare. Offered with the same lumen outputs as GEMINI 4-inch with standard options up to 1,000 lumens per foot, the narrow profile of GEMINI 2-inch efficiently delivers light where needed. Our 2-inch option also joins T-bar LED and GEMINI 4-inch in our collection of lighting solutions for specialty wood ceilings. Now with GEMINI 2-inch, our complete range of lighting tools can be used harmoniously throughout a space, creating a cohesive design. Our imagination continues to lead us towards new and bright ways to light our everyday spaces. Lighting is our passion. Innovation is what we do best.